Are you looking for new and unique ingredients for your products? I will show you Brazil nut derived products directly from the producer in the Bolivian Amazon rainforest. You can use broken Brazil nuts in muesli mixes, fillings, or as a sprinkle. Brazil nut flour is used for baking gluten-free pastries, thickening soups, or for coating. And Brazil nut oil is excellent for salads, frying cassava or plantains, baking pastries, and as a natural cosmetic for the skin and hair. Brazil nuts have several unique properties. They contain selenium, which rejuvenates cells, has an anti-inflammatory effect, and boosts immunity. Brazil nuts are a sustainable food. They grow in the wild, and by trading them, you are directly protecting the Amazon rainforest. And due to the content of many vitamins, fatty acids, and important elements, products from Brazil nuts have a wide use in cooking and cosmetics. Our products are organic certified, vegan, gluten-free, sustainable, and socially responsible. We will deliver to you in the EU, USA, and Asia in any package from a 5-kilo bag or canister to a container. Order at info@para-food.com.